Hello everyone. Welcome to Elif's kitchen. Today I want to share with you 7 different practical and delicious recipes to brighten up your breakfast tables. Fried eggs recipe with delicious flavors from the Aegean region. Let's slice 2 medium-sized potatoes into approximately ½ centimeter thick rings. Slice 1 medium-sized onion into medium thick half moons. I used 6 to 7 hot chili peppers. As you see in the video, chop them into large pieces. I also used 2 village peppers, again chopped into large pieces. Chop 2 medium tomatoes into large pieces as well. To fry our vegetables, add about 1 cup of oil to the pan, heat it slightly, and lightly fry the potatoes until tender. Transfer the fried potatoes to a plate. Then fry the onions and peppers. After frying, transfer them to the plate. Remove some of the oil from the pan. As you can see, about 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil remain. I added 1 teaspoon of butter for extra flavor. Add the tomatoes on top. Stir-fry the tomatoes for a few minutes until slightly browned. I transferred some of the tomatoes into the pan. I returned all the fried vegetables to the pan, mixed together. Sprinkle some salt on top. Cover the pan and let it cook on low heat for 2 to 3 minutes. Break as many eggs as you'd like on top. I cracked 4 eggs. You can either spread the eggs or leave them whole. I spread 3 of them and left 1 whole. Sprinkle some salt, black pepper, and chili powder on top. Cover with the lid and cook on low heat until the eggs reach your desired consistency. I cooked them until slightly runny. Remove from heat. Our fried eggs are ready to serve. Our second recipe, yogurt with eggs recipe. Take about a bowl of thick yogurt into a serving dish. Add 1 clove of grated garlic and a little salt, then mix until smooth. Spread it on the serving plate. Take 3 eggs into a bowl. Add a little salt and beat well. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a non-stick pan. Add 1 heaped teaspoon of butter and melt it. Add the beaten eggs. As you see in the video, gently stir towards the center. And cook the eggs to your desired consistency. Then remove from heat. Pour over the yogurt mixture. I'm sprinkling some more chili flakes on top. Our yogurt with eggs is ready to serve. Our third recipe, steamed potatoes with basil. 4 to 5 medium potatoes. Slice into approximately ½ centimeter thick rings. Place them in the pan. Use a non-stick pan for this step. Slice 1 medium onion into half moons. Also thinly slice 2 spring onions. Add the onions to the potatoes. Add 1 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon chili flakes. The essential ingredient: 1 tablespoon basil or oregano, and 1/2 teacup of oil or olive oil. Mix well. Then I added about 1 tablespoon of crumbled butter for extra flavor. You can skip the butter if you prefer. Place on the stove and cover the pan. Cook on medium-low heat without stirring. After cooking for 15 minutes, carefully stir the potatoes once without mashing them. Then cover again and cook for another 15 minutes on low heat. After a total of 30 minutes cooking, stir carefully. As you can see, the bottoms are slightly browned too. Remove from heat and serve hot. Fourth recipe. Eggs with walnuts recipe. Take about a bowl of thick yogurt into a mixing bowl. Add 1 to 2 cloves grated garlic. And as shown in the video, chop some walnuts. Add to the yogurt. Set aside some walnuts for garnish. Add about 1/2 teaspoon each of salt and black pepper, 1 teaspoon dried mint. Mix well and spread on a serving plate. Boil some water in a small pot. Add 1 teaspoon salt and a 1/4 teacup of apple cider vinegar. As shown in the video, stir to create a whirlpool. Drop 1 egg into the whirlpool. Cook the egg to your preference for about 2 to 3 minutes without stirring. I cooked mine for 3 minutes. Drain well with a slotted spoon. Place on top of the yogurt mixture. Create another whirlpool to add more eggs, cooking them the same way. You can skim off any foam that forms. Adjust the number of eggs based on servings. I used 3 eggs total. For the sauce, heat 2 to 3 tablespoons oil in a pan. Add the reserved chopped walnuts. Add 1 small grated garlic clove and lightly sauté without burning. Then add 1 heaped teaspoon chili flakes. Stir and remove from heat. Drizzle over our egg dish. Our eggs with walnuts is ready to serve. Our fifth recipe. Eggs with sausage and cheese in clay pots. Place about 3 to 4 slices of ring-cut sausage into 4 clay pots. Then add 1 cherry tomato cut in half to each. I used 2 large pieces of chopped chili pepper per pot. Then crack 1 egg into each pot. Add as much diced Cheshire cheese as you like. Sprinkle some chili powder on top. Bake in a preheated 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, oven until eggs reach desired doneness. I baked for about 10 minutes. Remove from oven and serve hot. Our sixth recipe. Eggplant with yogurt. Peel 3 eggplants in stripes. Then quarter them lengthwise as shown in the video. And cut into half-finger length pieces. Place in a pot. Add 1 teaspoon salt and enough water to cover. Bring to boil on high heat. Then after boiling, simmer for about 10 minutes on medium heat, stirring occasionally until eggplants soften. The eggplants have softened, as you can see. They've released their bitterness into the water. Drain in a colander and let cool completely. Take about a bowl of thick yogurt into a mixing bowl. Add 1 to 2 cloves grated garlic and 1 teaspoon salt, mix well. Add the well-drained cooled eggplants, mix, and transfer to a serving plate. Heat 2 to 3 tablespoons oil and add 1 teaspoon chili powder. Drizzle the sauce over top. Our 7th recipe, Moroccan-style layered pastry with each layer separating beautifully. Place 5 cups flour in a mixing bowl. Add 1 teaspoon each sugar and salt. 1 tablespoon oil. Initially add 1 cup water. Start kneading and gradually add remaining water. I used 2 cups water total. The dough should be soft but not sticky. Knead the dough on the counter for about 5 minutes. Cover the elastic dough and let rest for about 1 hour. Then knead lightly again and divide into 5 equal pieces. Place the dough balls on a floured plate. Lightly flour the tops and cover. Let rest for about 20 minutes. As shown in the video. Roll out each piece on a lightly floured surface to about serving plate size. I used 125 grams melted butter total. Brush about 1.5 tablespoons butter over each dough, spreading evenly with a brush. Lightly sprinkle with flour. Fold the dough as shown in the video. Brush with more butter. Sprinkle more flour. Fold the other side over. Brush with butter. Again lightly sprinkle with flour. As shown, brush butter and sprinkle flour after each fold. Shape the dough into a square and place on a greased tray or plate. Prepare all dough pieces the same way. Drizzle remaining butter over top. Spread with a brush. As shown, I didn't use the milky residue at the bottom of the butter. Then cover with plastic wrap. Let rest at room temperature for about 20 minutes. You can prepare up to this point, cover. Refrigerate and cook in the morning. As shown, shape the rested dough into balls. Cover again with plastic wrap. Let rest for 15 to 20 minutes. Lightly grease parchment paper. Cut to your pan size. Place the rested dough on it and, as shown, press with your fingers to form a pastry plate-sized circle. Lightly heat the pan and grease with a little oil, as shown. Easily transfer the dough with the parchment into the pan. Cook on medium-low heat, flipping both sides. Place the beautifully browned pastry on a plate. Cook remaining pastries, lightly greasing the pan each time. As shown, we have a soft pastry with layers that separate beautifully. Serve hot. Our 7th and final recipe is ready. I hope you'll try these and enjoy them. I look forward to your comments if you do. If you've enjoyed watching this far, you can support me with likes, comments and shares. Thank you for watching.